How to use the power of the full moon in Aries to close up chapters and start fiery new beginnings. On October 13th is next full moon, and it's going to be in the zodiac sign of Aries. Full moons are times for release, completion, revelation, and illumination. Expect to experience passion, creativity, and really bold moves during this time. Aries is all about taking charge and taking the lead. Think about the things in your life that you're confused about. Now, this is how you can use the power of full moon in Aries to close up chapters and welcome new beginnings. The moon holds information, and when it reaches its fullness, it sheds light on what you need to know. Fueled by the sign of Aries, it brings forth additional information that will lead you to the next chapter of your life. This information will bring to you emotions and experiences that will help you close some chapters. You will feel more courageous to tackle your issues and start new chapters in your life. Aries is a fire sign, and it's always ready to get moving. It doesn't hesitate to do and say whatever is needed. And now, with the full moon in Aries, it's time that you put your emotions down. Examine each area of your life that you've been overanalyzing. The full moon will push you to get real with yourself. Here are some questions that you can ask yourself. Do I really want what's happening in my life right now? Am I pushing something to work that I know in the end will not satisfy me? Am I being honest with myself with what's good for me? Do I really like who I am, where I am, who I am with? What are the conversations that need to happen now? Am I honoring my own needs? Write your answers down and analyze them. This will help you see your life better. It may even show you some parts of your life that you haven't been paying attention to. The full moon in Aries is time to break through. It's on your side, so use it to your advantage. The sign of Aries is pushing you to acknowledge your courageous side, while the moon is encouraging you to acknowledge your strength. Hold your ground and let go of things that no longer serve you. Remember the power that you have during this full moon in Aries. Now is the time for change, to close up fiery chapters of your life, to get that much needed reality check, and to finally move into your breakthrough. Trust me, after this, you will feel so free. That Aries courage is so exhilarating. Use the power of the full moon in Aries to be bold. To finally decide and use that courage to close up the chapters in your life that are no longer serving you. The energy of the sign of Aries will push you to make bold decisions that will change your life and make it so much better. Click on the link in this description video to have free gift, 7 sacred signs from the universe.